Good morning, children. How are you all doing? Today, we are going to learn to take care of pets from the story The Canary. Canaries are tiny, beautiful, and yellow colored birds. They are attractive and friendly. Canaries are very popular pets because they are the best singing birds. Today's story is about a boy Somu and his pet bird Molly. On his birthday, Somu's father gave him a wonderful gift to him, a little yellow canary. Somu named her Molly. Somu looked after the bird very well. Each day, Somu cleaned her cage, gave her fresh seeds, water, and sometimes even sugar. Molly was very happy in her cage and would sing sweet songs for Somu's friends. Somu was proud of his pet. After some weeks, Somu lost interest in Molly. He did not find any fun in looking after Molly. Always he wanted to play with his friends. Gradually, Somu started ignoring Molly. One day, he forgot to clean her cage. Another day, he did not feed her with seeds or fresh water. Molly was very unhappy that Somu loved her no longer. She could not sing because she was hungry and thirsty. She went to her dish and searched for water. But there was no water in the dish. Molly cried for water. But Somu did not pay any attention to her. Molly drooped her head and prayed to God. Next day morning, Somu's mother did not hear the sweet voice of the little bird. She went near Molly's cage and saw her lying half dead. She took Molly out of the cage and fed her with seeds and water. Somu's mother scolded him for being so careless about the helpless bird. Somu realized his mistake and thereafter looked after the bird very well. We have to learn many things from this story. We have to prepare ourselves before bringing a pet bird at home. First of all, a comfortable place is needed to keep the bird cage. The place should be safe and airy. And in your absence, someone should be at home to take care of your pet. You need to spend little time to play and train your pet. Now let us see what does the pet need from us. It needs a clean cage. The cage has to be cleaned every day. Clean water, seeds and fruits to be given at regular times. You should provide a shallow water dish for the pet to take bath. You must spend enough time with your pet. If possible, fix up a bird swing inside the cage. We have learned lots of values also from this lesson. We have learned that how to take care of a pet bird at home. A good pet keeper will have these values: punctuality, love, kindness, and compassion. Now I am going to give you few assignments. I want you all to read the lesson. Write down the new words from this lesson. We'll discuss them in the school. I have given the word meanings and opposites of some words from the lesson. Exercises C3, C4 and C6 need to be done in your notebook. Good day, children. Thank you.